welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Shua.
My name is Jenny. My name is Dave.
And today we are going to show you how to make two dishes. One from Indonesia and one from Middle Eastern. The first one we're going to make is kolak pisang. So, baby, could you tell me how to make kolak pisang?
Kolak pisang is an Indonesian dessert based on banana, sweet potato, coconut milk, palm sugar, pandan leaf.
Okay.
Because it's hard to find pandan leaf in here, so we don't use any of it.
Okay.
Kolak pisang is often found in Indonesia when it's Ramadan season.
Okay, so without any further delay, let's see how we make kolak pisang. Okay, so this is the ingredients that we've prepared for making kolak pisang. The first one we're gonna do is obviously turn on the stove. After that, pour the water until it boils. After the water is completely boiled, we can put these sweet potatoes inside. We're gonna boil the sweet potatoes until it becomes softened. And then to make the sweet potatoes becomes more sweeter and fragrant, you can add the palm sugar and the sugar. Don't forget to stir it around to make the sugar melt evenly. After a few minutes, you can test if the sweet potatoes already softened or not. Okay, so since our chef said it's already cooked, that means you're halfway done. And you can also try the sweetness of the water. Let's go. Be careful since it's hot. How is it?
I think it needs more sugar. I think it's not sweet.
Okay, then let's put another sugar. Adding more palm sugar is preferred when you think the sweetness is not enough, since it is more fragrant than the normal sugar. Okay, then you can also put inside the bananas. Just stir for a few seconds because bananas easy to be ruined. And then it's done. You can turn off the stove and wait until your kolak pisang is in room temperature.
So that's it for our food tutorial today.
If you have any questions regarding our dishes, feel free to comment down below. Okay, thank you. See you. Bye.